Hi everyone, this is Natraj. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about that configuring the Cloud SQL Insight using Terraform. Google Cloud SQL Insight help to detect, diagnose and prevent the query performance problem for your Cloud SQL database. You can easy to analyze the database activity to understand the system behaviors, and also you can optimize the system usage also. There is a two types of monitoring is available. The first one is the system insight, next one is the query insight. System insight, it can collect that important metrics and data for your database such as CPU usage, memory consumations and query latency. When I come to that query insight, it can capturing the query pattern and execution times of your query. Also, you can allow to that identify the slowness or efficient queries that may be impact to that overall performance of your applications. We are at the Visual Studio Code. The entire code is available on my repository. You can clone from any time. In this video, it is a continuation of my previous one of the video. Most of the things I am talking about there. If you are not watching this video, you can please watch it out. So I am going to click on that main.tf file. In this video the code will be similar only. So the one of the particular things only I added newly. Dynamic insight underscore config, we can call as the dynamic block. It is that nested block inside the resource based on the variables. So in these dynamic blocks I am using the for each. The for each is to iterating over the data structures. You can see the conditions of the statement. Here I am calling the variable dot insight underscore config. It is not equal to that null. It can going to executing with the variable dot insight underscore config. Otherwise it can make it that empty variables. So next one is the content. We can see the parameter one by one. The first one is the query insight enabled. I'm enabling the monitoring feature. It will be containing with the system insight. Also the query insight, it will by default you can enable. Next one is that query plan per minutes. Here I'm capturing that every 5 minutes intervals to capturing that all the query executions. I'm default value I provide with the 5. Next one is that query string length. We are capturing the maximum length of the query stored into that byte. I am providing with 1024. Next one is the recorded application tags. So we can easy to record the application tags from the query if you needed. Next one is that recorded client address. So here we are recording the client address while are assessing the applications. So basically we can help to identify which country the most of the user is accessing the applications. So you can see here most of the parameter I am heavily used for the lookups. So lookup basically to return the value from the map variable. The given key value does not exceed, it is comes from the default variable which I defined here. So we'll moving to that variable.tf file. So this is a variable insight underscore config. You can see the things, the types I defined with any. These are all things the default variables. Suppose I haven't provided that query plan per minutes, it can automatically taken the default value from here itself, whatever I defined the file. So we're moving to the terminal to execution the Terraform operations. So I'm going to click the three dot, click the terminal, open with the new terminal. Now I'm going to executing the Terraform plan command to validate my plan syntax. Yeah, syntax is everything perfect. So it can going to add the file resource. There is a 0 changes, 0 destroys. Now I'm going to executing the Terraform apply command. Yeah, it asking the user input is yes. Now the cloud instance provision is started. So successfully Terraform is completed. So we'll moving to the GCP console. So we are at the GCP console. I'm going to click the navigations menu. So I can scroll down, I click the SQL. Yeah, you can see the thing instant ID. So Postgres primary is created here. I click these things. Yeah, you can see the thing, the system insight. The system insight is capturing that CPU utilization, disk utilizations or peak connections. So the most of all the information is capturing here itself. Next I'm moving to the query insight. So far there is a no query is exited. If you are integrating with the application, we can see that the query, number of queries, which one is taking the so much time, those things we can see in here. So that's it. Hopefully this video will be useful to everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye.